Hello, Quizzers! Welcome back to Quiz Kingdom! Today, Froggy's putting your animal knowledge to the test and guess 150 animals in 3 seconds. Froggy's lined up 150 animals, starting from easy and getting all the way to impossible. You only have 3 seconds to guess each one. Can you name them all? If you're ready, smash the like button and subscribe to Quiz Kingdom for more fun challenges. And let's jump in! Let's start with an easy animal. Amazing! It's a dog! You cannot guess this wrong. This is a cat. Let's jump to the next one. Duck. Which animal is this? It's a sheep. You could break this round. Lion. Would you rather be chased by a lion or simply like this video to escape? The choice is yours. Back to the game. Froggy believes you know this one. Outstanding! It's a cow! Look at this animal! Horse. Here's another animal. Rabbit. Too easy to guess. Chicken. Pig is the correct answer. Well done! It's an elephant. Do you know this animal? Excellent! It's snake. Next one. Wonderful! It's a tiger. A great white shark. Time for a memory challenge. Keep your eyes sharp and remember where each animal is. Now, can you spot the great white shark's location? Correct! It's in position 5. Name this animal. A donkey. Giraffe. Can you solve this? Monkey. Yes, bear! Have you seen this one before? Zebra. Keep up the good work. Hedgehog. Any ideas? Perfect, it's a leopard. Do you recognize this animal? It's a kangaroo. Follow the aquarium and find the kangaroo. You have a great memory. It's B. Who knows this animal? That's right, fox. Let's see if you recognize this one. Deer. Next animal. Panda. Moving on to this one. Koala. Can you pass this one? Correct, it's gorilla. Hamster. Spider. Which animal's this? That's a crab. Let's tackle the next one. Blue whale. Hippopotamus. Guess the animal. Crocodile. Yes, that's a dolphin. What's this animal? You've got it, it's a flamingo. Can you recognize this one? Rhinoceros. It's a mouse. Next is the medium level. Which animal's this? Fantastic job, it's a wolf. Next animal, please. Sea turtle. Can you figure out this one? B. Only one correct answer. What is it? Bison. What's your guess? It's a penguin. It's a ladybug. Take a look at this animal. Frog. Check out the next one. It's a snail. An ant. Fly. How can you be so good at this game? Bingo! It's a squirrel. What's your answer? A butterfly. Guess the animal. It's a mosquito. Here's a tricky one. Bravo, it's a reindeer. Can you spot this animal? A sloth. Do you know this one? An eagle. A seahorse. A starfish. An octopus. Jellyfish. Any ideas about this? Fabulous! It's a lobster. Take a closer look. Gazelle. Very nice. It's a cheetah. One more point for you. How about this one? An ostrich. Do you know this animal? Turkey. Pigeon. Any guesses? Owl. Orca. What's this animal? That's a parrot. Which animal are we looking at? Peacock. So beautiful. Keep it up. Toucan. Mantis. Here's another one for you. Great, it's a swan. Kiwi. Caterpillar. Earthworm. Can you identify this animal? Excellent, it's a bat. Let's raise the bar with the hard level. What's this animal? It's a camel. Llama. A guinea pig. Guess this animal. The answer's seal. Scorpion. Do you find this animal familiar? A chameleon. A red panda. Which animal's this? Parrot. On to the next one. Fantastic, it's tortoise. Wallaby. Ray. Ready for the next one? Buffalo. Are you sure of your answer? Hyena. Who can name this animal? Well done, it's groundhog. Meerkat. A salamander. Recognize this one? Awesome, it's dragonfly. Any ideas? Iguana. It's an antelope. You could do it. It's raccoon. Toad. Beetle. Can you tell Froggy what animal this is? An axolotl. It's a beaver. So familiar. A clownfish. A skunk. Next challenge. A moose. A chipmunk. It's a quokka. Keep going. A cricket. An otter. Slug. A millipede. You did great! It's a sea anemone! Do you know this animal? A firefly. What's your answer? Yes, it's an orangutan. A hermit crab. The impossible level. Let's see if you're an animal expert. Guess this animal. A tarsier. Next question. Lemur. Can you identify this one? You've got it! It's an okapi! Hammerhead shark. This is a difficult one. A monitor lizard. It's an armadillo. Can you name this animal? Lynx. Manatee. A gecko. This is impossible to guess. It's an opossum. You know what to do this time. Anteater. This is a wombat. A jerboa. A cuttlefish. Guess this animal. Walrus. A Tasmanian devil. Honey badger. A tapir. How about this one? Bongo. A loris. This one's hard. Bosa. Nautilus. What is it? Kinkajou. Have you seen this animal before? Awesome! It's a civet! A pangolin. Guess the animal. A genet. Another challenge. A mouflon. You're doing great. Identify this one. Piranha. Coati. What's your answer? Brilliant! It's albatross. A markhor. Narwhal. Check out the animal number 147. Wonderful! It's a gray cane. An echidna. An aye-aye. Last round. Bravo! It's a stick insect. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to choose your next challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Kingdom for more entertaining quizzes like this one. See you in the next video.